Hi, today I'm going to walk you through my product, FabricMind.ai. It is an organization memory layer and it is integrated currently with Claude. So I'm just directly going to go to Claude here. So I have modeled here a fictitious company, Meridian Insurance, where FabricMind has been observing its operational team as such. And let's say a VP of claims who walks into the office in the Monday morning and wants to understand what's going on in the org. So I'm just gonna ask some questions here. Give me a quick brief of my upcoming week. Let's see how FabricMind actually returns a response to Claude here. So currently it is definitely pulling data from my calendar, from my meeting notes, and the custom impressions or the custom memory which is saved in FabricMind. So now based on the activities which FabricMind is monitoring, Claude is able to prepare my weekly brief with my top priorities here, like what are the claims which I have to be aware about it and which I need to address, some of the compliance documentations which are due, which I needed to address, some of the protocol submissions which I needed to do, which has been going on for some time, and probably I need to track down those folks in the team. These are my team members as such. What exactly happening, where they are blocked, some of the data with respect to that, and some of the high level rules as such, some thresholds as an organization, somebody overrided certain things. Like I said, a brief overview of my operational activities here. I'm going to ask a second question here. Let's say I have a 9 a.m. stand up. For my 9 a.m. stand up, give me one line of talking points with my team. So I'm going to see what Claude is going to give me that. Quickly here, it is going to give me my talking points here with Alex. I do need to check up with him with respect to a particular claim. Sophia, confirm his override is done, so Nina can unblock and move forward. So these are some of the high-level talking points which Claude is looking up to the organization memory and actually putting me as a dashboard or talking point, whatever I would like to Claude to do. Now, I want to go a little bit more into deep, not only your calendar and your meeting notes as such. Now, let's say I want to understand impact of Greg leaving team. So let's see how FabricMind is going to respond to this specific question here. All right. So he's our primary coastal property specialist in the organizations, the claims he has been working on. He has transferred the ownership of some of the work he is doing and some of the knowledge sharing sessions or knowledge transfers to whom he is actually doing. What are the issues which are still pending before he leaves as such? What are the risks as such? Maybe other colleagues who are getting overloaded with work because not only their current work and some other workload also needed to address as he is leaving, how many people who can actually support. But like I said here, that is up to the Claude when it queries the organization memory. It can construct the narrative based on that, right? All right, so we got done with this. Let's talk more about at the organization level. Tell me how Meridian handled when somebody left, handled a claim when somebody left in between claim processing. A little bit more detailed question here. So you can see how Claude is actually constructing narrative based on the organization data, based on what actually it understand, what were the impact as such, zone 4 protocol gap, some particular blockers as such, how it was escalated, what is the Meridian has learned how headway that the handoff process was very late. So like I said, like different organization level questions are particular company can ask it if there is an org memory supported with Claude here. And also keeping in mind as FabricMind is the context engine, in the similar way, we can make agentic AI also aware about these kind of automation also. So that was just a quick demo for FabricMind where I showcased that how if there is an organization memory layer, the LLMs can unlock immense amount of value in a particular enterprise as such. In my next video, I will be talking about the FabricMind architecture, its key components, and how actually it is working with Claude. Thank you.